Hi, I'm Dalton Voss. I'm from Montana. I wanted to wish you guys a Merry Christmas.
Hi, my name is Zach Reeser. I'm from Sydney, Nebraska. Merry Christmas. Hi, Francois Myron Wilson from Hawaii, and Amela Kalikimaka from WyoTech.
My name's Leo Fitzgerald. I'm from Massachusetts, and happy holidays.
Hi, my name's Aiden Simpson. I'm from Bend, Oregon, and I want to wish you a Merry Christmas.
Hello, my name is Amber McGowan. I'm an instructor at WyoTech in the diesel department teaching powertrains, and I just want to say Merry Christmas.
Hi, my name's Jeremiah Meek. I'm originally from Carbondale, Illinois. I teach diesel technology. I'd like to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays.
My name is Tim. I'm a diesel instructor here at WyoTech. I'm from Southern Indiana, and Merry Christmas.
Hi, I'm Audrey Gallagher. I'm from Boulder, Colorado, and I just wanted to wish you guys a Merry Christmas.